Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today's a perfect workout. No equipment, just a few minutes and it'll get you heart rate pumping. I can pretty much guarantee that. It's 5 burpees, 10 push-ups, 20 air squats, 5 rounds, done as fast as possible. I'm going to try to get through this as fast as possible today. I hope you do the same. There's not going to be a lot of talking, there's going to be a lot of huffing and puffing coming from me. You guys ready to go? No clock. You'll just see a little bar across the top and you'll know how far into the workout I am. So let's get going in 3, 2, 1, starting with 5 burpees. And let's go one more time, one more countdown guys. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1. 10 push-ups. 'Oh boy. All right, 20 air squats. Let's go. 1. Come on, 5, 6, keep it up. 7, 8, 9. That's halfway. 10 more. 1. 5 burpees. What am I talking about? Ready? Let's go. That was round number 1. Three, 4, 5, 10 push-ups. 20 air squats. Whew. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. 10 more. Let's go. 1, 2. Last one. All right, run number 2 in the bag. Let's go, 5 burpees. Microphone's getting in the way, excuses are coming. 10 push-ups. 20 air squats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Keep it going, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Count down with me. 9, 8. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. 5 burpees. Here's round number 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 2. All right, guys. 20 air squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6, 10, 10 left, 9 left, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, let's go, one more, last one, 1. All right, round number 5, last one guys, 5 burpees, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 20 air squats for the ones. Final time, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 4, come on, 5, 8, 9, 10, 10 left, 9 left, come on, count down loud, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. All right, let me catch my breath. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and we go through crazy workouts like these every Monday and Thursday. Little slower paced workouts also every Monday and Thursday, and a bunch of shorts videos. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.